Welcome to the retreat at Wild Wing. This peaceful community is located just 14 minutes from downtown Conway. Nestled among the Wild Wing golf course, this community offers a great blend of tranquility and convenience. With the stunning Wild Wing golf course right outside your door, residents enjoy breathtaking views and a relaxed lifestyle, all while being just a few minutes away from everything you need. Wild Wing is designed for easy living. With sidewalks throughout the community, it's perfect for peaceful bike rides, walks, or simply enjoying the outdoors in this friendly community. From charming homes to beautiful surroundings, Wild Wing offers a place where you can truly make your mark. Just a short drive away, you'll find charming downtown Conway. Downtown Conway is full of specialty stores, tons of restaurants, and they have festivals throughout the entire year. Wild Wing isn't just a place to live, it's a place to belong. In this close-knit community, neighbors become friends, and every day offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle. Don't miss your opportunity to live in this exceptional neighborhood. Contact us today for more details.